Hey, I'm Kevin at ManKitchenRecipes, and today we're gonna do some smashed chicken double doubles, double meat, double cheese on the Blackstone Griddle. Check this out. For the smashed double double, you gotta smash that chicken. This is about a half a chicken breast, and I'm gonna flatten this out to about a 1/4 inch thick. It's really thin. It's a little fragile, but it's thin. And that one breast makes 2 patties for our double double. And I got some brioche buns, and I just added some butter, and we will toast those up. And then I made my own spread, about a half a cup of mayonnaise, a couple teaspoons of sweet relish, ketchup, and vinegar, 1 teaspoon each. And we're going to use a little bit of olive oil. Chicken on there. We were going to go on a medium to low. Don't get too hot. Now we're going to get this chicken on there. We're going to cook up fairly fast. Some of these you got to kind of shape into a patty. And I got a little extra. A little garlic pepper on there. Flip. They don't have to be crusty, you just got to be done. They look like they're about done. Ready for some provolone cheese. I think if In-N-Out made a chicken sandwich, this is how they'd have to do it. You're gonna have double smashed chicken burgers. Get a little extra cheese on a couple of them. These are double doubles. We're going to go ahead and stack them up right now. Like that. Turn that off. Take these off. Dripping cheese. Gotta love that. Okay. Mines are looking good. Okay, it's time to build this chicken double-double. Got my In-N-Out clone spread. Build it like In-N-Out does. Lettuce first. Add a tomato. Put my double-double smashed chicken stack on top. And I'm gonna add a little more of the spread. That's all you do. We're gonna serve this up with a vegetable kebab. Man, look at that. That chicken sandwich looks and was delicious.